Okay, so we are doing in day 4 two-step equations. Put your last name, your first name, and your class period. We're going to solve these and then we'll type our answers down at the bottom. There's different strategies on how to keep yourself organized, but when you are working with equations, you want to make sure that you stay as organized as you can to isolate the variable, which means isolate the letter. Variable is the technical term. The first thing that you want to do is remove the constant, which is this plus 8. So we're going to subtract 8 from both sides. You end up with 7k equals 63. Now I have 7 times k. That's called a coefficient. So I need to divide both sides by 7. So my final answer for that one will be k equals 9, because 63 divided by 7 is 9. This one is hard to read. That is a -9, and that is an equal, and that is a -3. So I need to move this 3. Now I'm going to put this on the correct side because it bugs me. So I'm putting the -9 over there instead of over here. So I need to move this 3, my constant, away. So that's a +3, so I need to move it with its opposite of -3. I might have done it wrong on my piece of paper. I'm going to have to fix this. So -9 minus 3 more means -12 equals -y. Well, if -y is -12, I need to move that negative to the other side. So I'm going to divide by the -1. Remember, you don't really see that one, but it's there. So dividing -12 by -1, y equals 12. Now, again, I'm going to tell you right now, I know that that's going to be wrong for me, but it will be right for you. Okay, I'm going to move this 18 to the other side. Do I have to? No. Am I going to? Yes. So this is my constant. It is not as attached to the variable as the coefficient 2. So I'm going to use the opposite of plus 8. I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. And you end up with 2n on this side of the equal equals 18 minus 8, which is 10. I'm going to move the coefficient 2 by dividing both sides by 2. So my n will equal 5. Hopefully you can read my writing. I'm getting pretty good at writing with the mouse. Okay, they have the 0 on the wrong side. Again, it bugs me, so I'm going to just move it over. Do you have to? No, but I'm going to. My coefficient or my constant in this side is -2, so I'm going to use that opposite, which is +2 to both sides. So I'm going to end up with c divided by 4 equals 2. I need to move this 4, that divided by 4, by multiplying both sides by 4. So I'm moving that coefficient by multiplying both sides by 4. C will then equal 8. Okay, this one, because I cannot add or subtract first, because the add and subtract is on the top, and so I can't do that. I have to eliminate the 5. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. So times 5 times 5. So x plus 4 equals 10. And now I can remove that constant of +4 by doing the opposite of -4. And you end up with x equals 6. All right, this side is same situation, but I am going to move this 3 to the other side. Do I have to? Again, no, but I'm going to. So that is a division problem, and since the whole thing is on the top, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. And I believe that says -1 plus b will then equal 3 times 5, which is 15. I need to eliminate this constant by using its opposite, so I'm going to +1 to both sides, and that will see b equals 16. Make sure you've taken a moment, written this down, and gotten it all correct, and then you will go down and type the answers. So I'm going to scroll down, I hope, type the answers to make sure that all the rest of these are correct. I know that one will be incorrect. So my first answer is 9. Second answer I'm going to have to go back and do because I do not remember what I wrote down. I think it's 12. Yep, 12. Number 3 was 5. Oops, I'm sorry. This needs to be x equals 9. This one needs to be y equals 12. This one needs to be n equals 5. Number 4 was c equals 8. Number 5 was x equals 6. Number 6 was b equals 16. Submit. I know that I'm going to have one wrong, so let's see how many I screwed up with. Yep, the one that I said. So you guys should be good. I will fix that one for you.